Here is how to schedule a recurring report in Clio Manage step by step. Begin by opening Clio Manage and moving to the Reports area. From there, choose the report you want to schedule. This is the report that will run on a repeating basis, so take a moment to make sure you have selected the correct one before you continue. Once the report is open, configure the report settings. The options available here can include the responsible attorney, practice area, client or matter, date range, and the output format. Set each field to match the version of the report you want Clio Manage to generate automatically. If your report depends on a specific matter, client, or date range, make sure those selections are in place now, since the schedule will use these saved settings. After the report is configured, click Save as a preset. This creates a reusable version of the report with your chosen filters and output settings already attached. A preset is also what allows you to add a repeating schedule, so this is the point where the report moves from a one-time setup to an ongoing one. When prompted, enter a preset name. Use a name that clearly identifies the report and how it is meant to run. For example, the name might reflect the report type, the time period it covers, or the team member it is intended for. The goal is to make the preset recognizable later, especially if there are multiple saved report presets in your account. Next, turn on Add Schedule. This opens the scheduling options for the preset. Once scheduling is enabled, you can decide how often Clio Manage should generate the report and when that schedule should begin. Under Repeat, choose the frequency that fits your reporting cycle. Select Daily if the report should run every day, weekly if it should generate once a week, or monthly if it should run once each month. Pick the option that matches how often you need updated report data, then set the time under Generate Report At. This determines when Clio Manage will create the report each time the schedule runs. Choose the time that makes sense for when you want the report to be produced. If you are coordinating with other reporting tasks, this is the place to align that timing. After that, set the starting date under Schedule effective from. This tells Clio Manage when the recurring schedule should begin. Make sure the date reflects the first day you want the system to start generating the report on the selected cadence. Finally, click Save Preset to save both the preset and its recurring report schedule. Once saved, Clio Manage will use the report settings, repeat frequency, generation time, and start date you selected. Your recurring report preset is now scheduled in Clio Manage.